Hey everyone, in this video guys I'm going to be showing you how you can find free SolidWorks tutorials in a few simple clicks, okay? But guys, before we jump into the details, do not forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Solvi Engineer Business community, and without further ado, let's jump into the video.
Hey everyone, do not forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Solvi Engineer community, okay? And now, let's get started.
Okay, so the first thing that you need to do here is to type on Google GrabCAD, then you hit enter, then you click on the first result. Now you go to community, then tutorials. Next, for the first tab, from most liked this month, change it to all time. Then you go to the software tab, then select SolidWorks. So as you can see here on the screen, these are all the SolidWorks tutorials. So let's take for example this one. So this GrabCAD user is showing you how to design a rim. Okay, so you have many free SolidWorks tutorials in GrabCAD. Okay guys, thank us for watching. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button to catch you next time on the Solvi Engineer Business channel. Thanks for watching.